It's so hard to understand how good all these different components are for me. Now it's just years of experience here. Hey Alex, why are you ignoring how delicious Chipotle is? I don't know. I commented on Chipotle's comment above. Alex, but welcome back to the build show, sir. It's been a while. $40 for this case is a pretty good deal. Well, that's what I do for my deal hunting. I hunt for deals and pull all these cables back through their respected locations so that we have them in the back. This guy looked like he struggled with trying to figure out what to do here. Whoever tried to build in this.